Now on this one. All right. All right. Let's go.
Nobody should be up there but him. We already got tree damage here.
Is there tree damage here?
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna drop a Spider Network icon.
I'm not entirely sure there wasn't more than one, to be honest. Kind of cool if people got to see that. Dude, look how wide this is. It goes from here. That's at least 2 miles wide. It's got to be. Oh my God, man! This is the biggest tornado I've ever seen.
Yeah, this is the biggest tornado I've ever seen too.
Oh, there's stuff leveled here, man. Like trees.
Oh my God, dude! Look at all this damage.
Is that a house?
That's a house.
Is it a house?
Yeah, that's a house.
Oh my God.
Oh, dude, that's a house.